Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X. This prevents short circuits and protects you. Once done, place the console on a soft, flat mat so the finish won't scratch. Remove the bottom rubber feet, use steady pressure and a pick. The adhesive holds them. Next, unscrew the visible Torx screws with T8 or T10 as required. Keep screws labeled in a tray. This first phase exposes the base plate, so you can access the clips and internal mounting points. Once screws are removed, you'll feel 6 hidden clips around the rim that secure the base plate. You must depress or pry them in sequence to free the plate. Start at one corner and insert a thin pry tool, then work along the edge using small, even movements. This prevents bending or warping. Make sure to spot any grounding tab or ribbon cable attached to the plate. Disconnect that before lifting. If resistance remains, double-check for missed screws or a stubborn clip that needs a little more pressure. You're at the final step. Lift the base plate straight up, keeping it level so nothing snags the internal heatsink or cables. This prevents damage to the fan assembly and shroud. Once off, inspect the mating surfaces for debris or worn adhesive and clean with isopropyl on a lint-free cloth. Replace rubber feet or tape if required. When reassembling, reverse the steps, reconnecting any tab or ribbon and retorquing screws just snug. Troubleshooting tip. If the console won't sit flush, recheck clip engagement and any leftover screws that might still be captive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.